Do you enjoy applying for jobs? Because if so, this video is not for you. You should click away and you are not welcome here. Now, if you're still hanging around, you might want to see this. Here I have a job posting for a software engineering role with Microsoft. I'm going to go ahead and copy the whole job posting, job description, copy it and paste it right here. Inside of hire.sh, here's the job posting. I'm going to click paste. Once that's pasted, I'll scroll down and I'll smack this generate button. A few seconds later, I have a perfect cover letter that I can then come down and save. I can PDF view it and then I can print it off and submit it to land that job. It took about 3 seconds, and to make things even better, the cover letter is specific to my expertise because back on the home dashboard, if you scroll down, I've filled out my resume in this beautiful resume template, which I can also print off and download and submit. Now, if you enjoy writing out cover letters, you're more than welcome to continue doing that for every job application you submit. But if you want to save yourself some time and do it in a collective of about 3 seconds, come over to hire.sh, fill out the resume and click this create new button. Create a name for your job application. We can call it Hello World. Just like that, hit create just here and do what I showed you. Paste in that job posting and you'll have a job specific personalized cover letter in seconds. If that sounds good for you, sign up, try it out for free, hire.sh.